Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 of the best websites to share large files online. So let's get started. The first website is Mediafire.com. Mediafire is one of the most popular platforms for uploading and sharing large files. It gives you a simple drag and drop interface and allows you to upload files up to 10 gigabytes with a free account. Once the upload is done, you'll get a shareable link that you can send to anyone. The best part is, your friends or clients can download the file directly without needing to sign up. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for sharing videos, documents, or even software files. The second website is mailbigfile.com. This one is great if you want a straightforward way to send big files through email. You can upload files up to 2 gigabytes in the free version, and it automatically sends the download link to your recipient's inbox. It's designed for people who want quick sharing without logging in or creating an account. You just drag your file, enter the recipient's email, and click send. Simple as that. It's ideal for business users who often share media or large presentations. And the third website is sendspace.com. Sendspace has been around for years and is trusted by millions for transferring large files. You can upload files up to 300 megabytes in the free version, and your files stay online for a limited time for security reasons. It also offers features like tracking downloads and upload notifications, so you'll know when someone has accessed your file. It's a good option if you want something fast and dependable without worrying about privacy or data safety. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech videos.